Are you really a good father? The reality check you need. Being a good father isn't about just showing up physically, providing money, or checking off the to-do list. If you think that's enough, you're failing your child in ways you might never fully understand. The truth is, your child needs more than material things. They need you. They need your emotional presence, your love, and your guidance every single day. It's easy to fool yourself into thinking that being a good dad means working hard and providing. But ask yourself this: does your child feel heard, seen, validated? Or are they just another task you check off when you have time? The reality is, if you're not emotionally present, you're not being the father they need. And no amount of money or gifts can make up for that. A good father isn't someone who just meets basic needs. He's someone who shows up consistently, even when it's inconvenient. He's willing to face his flaws, admit his mistakes, and do the work to be better every single day. Being a good father is about showing up emotionally, not just physically or financially. It's about having the hard conversations, being there when things are tough, and investing in your child's self-worth, confidence, and emotional development. The painful reality is, many fathers fall into the trap of thinking that providing material things is enough. They think they've earned the title of good father because they pay the bills or buy the toys. But if you're not emotionally engaged, you're leaving your child emotionally starved. And that kind of neglect doesn't just disappear. It follows them into adulthood, shaping their relationships, their self-esteem, and their ability to deal with life's challenges. If you're not present emotionally, your child will start to feel like they don't matter. They'll internalize the belief that love and validation are something they have to earn through achievements or possessions. This mindset breeds insecurity, not confidence. And when your child feels like they're not enough, they carry that with them for the rest of their life. So, let's be clear. Being a good father isn't just about your presence. It's about your engagement. Are you actively listening to your child? Are you making the time to emotionally connect? Are you showing them love and support, not just through things, but through your actions and words? If you're not, you're failing them in ways that will hurt them long after they've grown up. No one wants to hear it. But the truth is, you're either building your child up with your presence, or you're leaving them to figure it out on their own, emotionally abandoned. Being a good father isn't easy. It requires real effort, real vulnerability, and real love. But your child deserves it. Don't make the mistake of thinking that providing things means providing enough. They need you. Show up, emotionally. Your legacy depends on it.